Hello everyone and welcome to this quick video, which is going to be for an update that Google have posted a few days ago. Basically, they are rolling out the integrated Gmail experience for users. This is a great update in Gmail and it's going to add a whole lot of features and tools to help you and to allow you to do more work and collaborate with people and also save more time. I will be doing another video to go through the details and the features of this update, but for now I just want to bring that to your attention in case you haven't heard about this already, or if you heard about it but forgot to keep track the release schedule or the release updates for this. So if you are on the rapid release schedule, then there is a high chance that you have already got it, or actually still to get it within the 15 days from the announcement date, which was on August 12th. And if you are on the scheduled release, then it will start to roll out to your organization and to your domain from the 1st of September 2020. So while that seems a lot, again, it's a good chance and it's a good idea for you to read about this and prepare your users and get familiar about the features. So when it comes, your users and you also will start to make the best use of this feature on the release date for your domain. So while you will wait or explore if you already got it, I just want to point out a few resources that are going to help you get around and get to know the features of this great update. So the first resource is this update blog, which is on GSuite Updates blog. This is very great resource and a very nice read that it's good idea to read it. And once you get to the bottom, or actually at the, let's say, the middle of this article, you will find some summary for the new features and the new tools that have been added for you. And if you go down a little bit, you will also see a resources section where it has two links, one for the GSuite administrators to help them get around and prepare their domain and users for the new features. The other one is for the GSuite end users who will need and who will use these tools and resources. So check this out and be prepared for it. If you already got it, then lucky you. Unfortunately, I haven't got it on my admin console yet, but hopefully it will be within these few days. And before that, I will do my best to get the features and the showcase video also. So all of the features will be highlighted for you and you will know how to use those features through a practical example. So that's it really. I really hope that you are excited as much as me about this new update, and hopefully it will be released for all of you soon and it will be enabled for your domains. So until the next features video, please like the video if you find it useful, or maybe if it sparked your interest, then maybe you can consider also to subscribe in the channel so you can get notified on the next video. Also, if you want to discuss or if you have any comment or any question or anything that you want to share about this, please feel free to post it in the comments section. I will be very happy to interact with you. And until the next video, hopefully this was useful for you, and thank you for viewing.